Hi there. For this video, I am going to show you how to use what's called Twisteez wire to make a sculpture. It is a very fine wire that you can cut very, very easily with scissors. You can bend it however you want. It's very easily bendable. I just started out with a loop. You can make whatever you want with this. There's all kinds of things that you can do with this wire. And I'm going to try something. So I made a loop, and I'm thinking I want to make a flower, and I think that I can almost use this like thread kind of to thread in here to make each of the petals for the flower. And I think I'm going to be able to do that each time, come back through the center and kind of wrap it around here to make the petals. I'm going to try to make them the same size. They might be just a little different, and that will be okay. But I'm going to try to make them the same size. We'll see what happens. I want to get 5 in here. We'll see if I can do that. But again, I'm going to thread it through each time. You can twist this and wrap it however you want. That's completely up to you. It's super, super flexible, which is really cool. So you can do all kinds of cool stuff with it. Oh, that was good. I went through the loop of another one. And again, if you don't like what you make, you can always untwist it and try it again and make something different. This is really fun wire. It's really lightweight and easy to use, which is awesome for any grade level. Okay, so there's another one. Now you have to, if I decide I want to undo this, I'm just going to kind of rebend it and bend it around, just to try to get that little notch out of it that I had bent in before. Okay, I need one more. If I can squeeze it in here and make this one that way, maybe I can. Alrighty. Okay, and so there's my 5 petals. And if you have a, a pliers or something that you want to use with this to help it to bend, you can. You don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can cut this off if I wanted to, or what I might do is bend this up here and make a leaf, and then kind of twist this so that it stays in there. And then have the stem continue to come down. And there, I've made a wire sculpture of a flower. Okay, you can make whatever you want with this. Have fun.